Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Webtech Tutorial. In this video, we will be learning how to download Beforepay application on iPhone. So without wasting much of our time, let's dive into the video. First of all, tap open your App Store. Go to the search box at the top of the screen and type in Beforepay and search. Look for the Beforepay Pay on Demand application from the search results and tap on the Get button to start downloading the app on your iPhone. Beforepay is a financial app designed to provide users with early access to their earned wages before their payday. It allows its users to access a portion of their earned but unpaid wages on demand, helping them to manage unexpected expenses, avoid late fees, and maintain financial stability between paychecks. Wait until the application is downloaded and installed on your iPhone. And once it is, you can tap on Open and open the app on your mobile device. So that is how you can easily download Beforepay on iPhone in a couple of minutes. If the video was helpful to you, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Also, press on the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thank you for watching.